Introducing the Tohnichi 500DOT torque tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by the renowned brand Tohnichi, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly applications. With a wide torque range of 50 to 500 kgfcm, the Tohnichi 500 torque tester can accommodate various fastening applications, ensuring precise and accurate measurements. The large and easy-to-read analog dial provides clear readings, while the mechanical loading device enables smooth and consistent torque application. Calibration is a breeze with a simple and intuitive design, allowing you to easily adjust the torque readings for precise measurements. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Tohnichi 500 torque tester. Its wide torque range, precise analog dial display, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for professionals seeking accurate and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the Tohnichi 500 torque tester and experience the confidence of knowing that your torque values are always accurate.